the odd ones out. Some clever person will tell me why these are not odd and why these are actually quite similar to others. But my battery's running low, which is a good job. There's only 2 of these. T and Z. T and Z. Now, T, I think doesn't go all the way up to the top. And I think it definitely isn't half of a capital letter. Let's get a capital letter for a reference. Let's do a big capital B. There's my B. That's too big, isn't it? That's too big. It'll do for now. There's my B, which is my reference point for a bottom line and a top line and a middle. That's my capital. Now, for a T, you don't start at the bottom and sweep up halfway. You don't go all the way to the top. I don't. I just don't like it. What do? I go up about 3/4. So it's a bit like an I. It's a bit like an R. I'm going up. I'm not going to 2 o'clock. I'm going up, but I'm not going all the way to the top, and I'm not going halfway. And then I come back down. The rest is easy, isn't it? Get ready for the next letter. And then if it's the end of a word, I take it off, and I do the little, what do you call it? Crossing a T. I cross the T. And I cross the T either at the middle or maybe slightly above. And I do right over like a cross, not just a half one, but whatever. It's all good as long as we have a form. So that's a T. What about a Z? Lowercase z. Well, we start at the bottom and we swoop up like that, but then we go straight across. There are no other letters that do that as far as I can see. Certainly not in the way I thought them. Starting up and go straight across. Z is so different from an S. You can't mix them up. Straight up, then zigzag it down, and then across, and get ready. Why did I not say this was part of the diagonal line? There is a diagonal because it doesn't start in the same way, and it's the starting that makes the pattern. It's the starting that's important. So that's a T, and that's a Z, and that's what you're going to know. The odd ones out, and that is all of our letters. Go and practice them all in that order. Good work.